welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today is a very snowy day, just like yesterday in Chicago, and we're gonna run a few errands. It was very hard to get out of our parking spot this morning, but we did it, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I will insert a few clips here and there of when we're driving and where we go. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Wilderness of the snow. About like, I don't know, how many inches? 5 to 8. Here we go again, round 2. We're about to go to the gym and the store. You gotta do what you gotta do. Got my little bun underneath here. Weather storm. We're out here, heavy strapped, with the spray.
Wow.
What is that? Can we try to get out? Evanston right now, doing some errands. I think it snowed about 5 to 8 inches, so it's a lot of snow out here. Put a comment down below if you have been to Evanston. I know a lot of you have, so put a comment down below. Anything to go outside on a Sunday and run errands, right? Because getting out of that parking spot was no joke. I had to kick the snow. My husband was revving up the car. It was a hot mess, but it was fun. And I'm sweating. But we're still going to the gym. That was not a workout, so. Nah, just because I sweat a little bit does not, I need to get it in still, so. Hey guys, I am at the gym. Try to be quiet because I want to be with people, and I really film in here, but so let's get it in.
2 hours later.
Watching today. I am going to do more vlogs like this and of course more videos. Make sure that you like, comment,